pawn shop. Dun 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 dun. Sono. Wait. Dun 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 dun. That was not me. That was her. She was so funny. I mean, that wasn't me, but she was like turning, but she made all of the sound. But she did. But she didn't go like. That wasn't. I didn't go like that. It wasn't me.
We didn't go to the.
I didn't go like that. It was her. Look at this pretty tree. So pretty and green. It's really green.
Go to the seaside yet.
It's not a seaside. There's a dam. It's not a seaside.
We need
Oké, hallo. Onze zijn hier op vakantie. Ja. Ons hebben net gekeken die hele hangerjaar om een paar video's in te maken. Een paar vakanties. Ja. En hierdie bome zijn een baie hoog. Al daar en hy is baie groot.
Kom ons gaan swem vir die.
Ek dink daar's water in. Net het gereën. Kyk hier daar. Hy is vol water. Ek spring nog goed. Nee. Ek het nog nie gesien nie. Wie sê Engeloppians? Want jou. Kyk na daai droom.